Hi, this is Jenny with Darn Jenny. How are you today? So I wanted to do a video on what my husband calls crack. It is frozen grapes with strawberry jello. I'm just going to take you along for how we do it, and I hope you enjoy. Okay, so here we are. My grapes have been soaking in water to get cleaned off. I use this fruit and vegetable cleaner. I like it. It's just an ultraviolet light that cleans your stuff. So now I just stand here and pop these. I do not like stems. Like I said, me and my husband will sit down and we'll eat this whole tray at night for snack. So do not dry them. Do not just don't dry them. That's what I wanted to say. Put them in nice and wet. And I put a variety in because we just like a variety. Fill this little tray up here. So that's about where I like it. I think if you put any more, you can't shake it. I know I've seen other videos where they put them in plastic bags, and we started out that way, but it when you eat them, your hands got all gross. So we have found these trays that work the best. So I just sprinkle this on here. Okay, so we have the Jello sprinkled all over. I have the lid here. Just give it a gentle shake, twist it, get it nice and coated. You can see they're nice and coated. Now, follow me. In the freezer they go. And when they are froze, which will be tomorrow, we'll pull them back out and bring you along for that. Thank you. Hi, it's been 24 hours since we've put the grapes in the freezer, and I'd like to show you what we do. Pull them out. I just hit them on here so all the goodness breaks loose. Open them up, and there you have it. Delicious. As my husband calls them, crack. Thank you and enjoy.